Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you a very special case. It is one of those cases that you cannot buy on hobby dealer websites like One Stop Diecast or JCar Diecast. Instead, it is a Walmart exclusive retail case of Fast and Furious Silver Series Premium. So we have the HNR 88, that is Fast and Furious Silver Series Premium. This is the G case. So this series is known as, in its code terms, of night racing. So it features 10 cars in this case. The series itself features 5. And from what I know, this series actually only, since it only has 5 cars, it's actually an uneven case load. So you won't find 2 per case. So it does feature 2 new castings, like the new Nissan 350Z and the new Chevy Impala. So let's crack this open and see just exactly how this case breaks down at retail. So I'm gonna pop this open here. And kind of give you an idea of what exactly is in this case and what it's going to look like at retail. So, first car out of the case is going to be something we have seen before, but we haven't seen it at the Silver Series Premium level, is the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. So this is number 5 of 5 in the mix, and there are 3 of these in the mix. So 1, 2, and 3. So we've seen this one before, I think, in various shades of blue, this kind of light blue, cyan color. So, but just going, off the initial instinct here is that we have 3 cars out of 10. There's 5 cars in the series. So definitely there's going to be 1 car, or at least 1 car, that is only coming 1 to this case. So we have the 3 Porsches there. All right, so next car out of the case is one of those cars that is coming 1 to a case. It is the 1966 Chevy Impala in this kind of light purple, light lavender paint, matte paint job. So this is a brand new casting, and if I remember correctly, this is one of the cars in the what is it, Fast 8, the one that was in Cuba, right? So, but this is a brand new casting designed by Eric Hahn. And just first initial reactions is nice. Like, right? This is a great looking casting, well proportioned. You got the hood bulge in there, metal base. Check that out. That looks like it's destined for premium. We don't get any exhaust detail, which is kind of, I've noticed that kind of being a trend lately. But you do get these nice cast 5 wheels on this one. So this is one nice casting. You get the headlight detail there. So that is one of the cars that comes 1 to a case here. So definitely going to be high in demand since it is a brand new casting, one that's never been done before even. And yeah, so good luck finding that one at retail, right? I have found this mix at retail, and that was not one of the cars that was included. So, all right, so next we have a couple of black cars here. I'm just kind of sorting them out. So it looks like we got 1, 2. Okay, so we'll go with this one first. So the Tomaso Panta. So this is the same car that's been in premium. Now we see it in this kind of semi-premium line, in the silver line. So we see it 3 to a case here in all black. I mean, I don't know if anybody's complaining about this one. This is the first time. Is it dusty? Yep, all these cases are dusty lately. This is the first time we've seen this one in a kind of, well, just not premium, right? We've seen it in Boulevard, and we've seen it in Team Transport, and I think it's in Boulevard coming up again, right, in yellow. So So this will be the first non-premium release of the casting, and it does come 3 to a case, so that is pretty nice for anybody that is a Tomaso Panta fan. All black. I don't, it would have been nice if I would have looked up some of these before I filmed this video, but needless to say, this is. Oh, you know what? The Pantera, right? The Pantera was in the railway scene, right? Where they take out the GT40 and the Corvette Grand Sport that's been done to death, and now the Pantera. So we have all 3 cars now, right? In that railway scene where they take them off the rail car and proceed to jump off the bridge, right? So that is nice, kind of completing a little Fast and Furious collection there. Okay, so the other new casting in this mix is the Nissan 350Z Custom. So we have seen this particular car. This is DK, right? The Drift King's car from Tokyo Drift with the little Scarab Beetle on it. We've seen it in, I think, just premium, but it used the old Nissan 350Z casting, not this newly redesigned casting that is definitely more in the Fast and Furious realm in terms of it's got like that Velside body kit, right? And yeah, you see, it's kind of hard to see in the packaging here, and it does have a metal base. So both new castings in this series have a metal base. So I definitely feel as though these will be headed to premium, if not soon in the near future. So, and it's got that kind of those 5-star wheels on it, all black with the chrome rim lip. So this is nice. I'm definitely going to get this next to the old 350Z casting. I'm sure the other one is just going to fail in comparison to this one. But this is nice. This is another Eric Hahn design. So Eric Hahn had his hands in 2 brand new castings from this mix. So kudos to you, Eric, for designing those 2 nice castings. So lastly, we got the other 1 per case casting, the quasi chase, whatever you want to call it. It is the yellow Nissan Skyline R33 from the Fast and the Furious, right? The first film. It was Leon's car, right? Leon, streets closed, pizza boy. So we do, yes, just feeling it. It has the metal base carried over from premium. So that is a nice touch. We do get the basic, well, not basic wheels. We get the Silver Series premium wheels on this one. So I guess if you're, a fan of racing your Hot Wheels on track, this one is definitely one for it, because you get the metal base, metal body, and the plastic wheels. And it looks awesome. So this is 1 to a case, just like the Impala. So there are your vehicles that are going to be hard to find at retail. And that was essentially the case for me when I found this series at retail. I only found the Pantera, the Nissan 350Z Custom. A little surprised to find that one by itself. And then obviously the 3 Porsches, which has kind of been one of those Fast and Furious releases that have been done to death. But new wheels on that one. New casting in the Nissan 350Z Custom. New to anything but premium, the De Tomaso Pantera, and it's in all black with that kind of stock deco. It's a movie car, it's a star car, and then obviously we got the 1966 Chevy Impala and the Nissan Skyline GTR BCNR 33 in all yellow. So great mix, Walmart exclusive mix. So make sure you check out your local Walmart if you're looking for cases on the pallets. Make sure to ask for help. The case code is HNR88 and 956G. So that is what you're looking for the Fast and Furious 2024 Night Racing series. Thank you for watching. Let me know what your favorite car from this series is in the comments below, and let me know if you found this series at retail yet and what your luck is in finding all 5 cars from this mix. Thank you for watching. Check OrangeStrikeDiecast.com for the full case report.